That's my son Braxton, and he's spending this week with me here in Utah. And we're now on the way to recycling. Look at all that. That's 2 weeks worth of plastic. But you know what? I feel so good that we are being responsible now, because it takes each and one of us to do this, right, baby?
See.
To save the planet?
See.
Do you want the planet to be here 30 years from now? Because, yeah. So what does that mean?
Recycle.
Recycle. There you go. Because recycling will prevent all that trash to destroy all of our oceans. There you go. Now, we're going to put this stuff right there in Cedar City. We have recycling program, especially for people that live in apartments. It's important that you be responsible and take a picture. Put your plastics where it belongs. So, right here, baby. Right there.
Yeah, I see.
Plastic. Look how full it is.
Jesus.
Whoa. That means people here are responsible.
Oh.
There you go. Now let's find another one for plastic. Come on. Right here. I gotta put all the plastics here.
All of that.
Yep. What I do, I crush my bottles like this, so they use a glass base, so I can, and then I hang this on my, next to my trash can, so I never forget that when I have plastic, it goes in this bag.
We'll show the other ones.
Yep. You know how many millions of plastic goes every day into the oceans? They say in 2025 we're gonna have more plastic in the ocean than fishes. You know what that means?
Yeah.
The oceans will be dead zones. And you know what that means? Then we die. And it's serious stuff. This is serious stuff. It's like, I feel bad that I haven't done it before. That I started, you know, just a few months, probably since I moved here. But it's never too late. It's never too late to start. And then, see? You know, another good thing about recycling is that I only throw away trash now once every 2 weeks because there's no trash. Bye, recycle. Alright, so peace to you guys. Recycle. Put that plastic
In a bag.
in a bag and take the bag to the recycle bin. Alright, bye.
Recycle.